Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. Welcome back to Home Time XYZ. And I know I've been gone for a while, so I haven't posted any videos because I was doing a course in project management. So finally I'm finished, woohoo, and I passed. So I'm back and I'll be making more videos. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so for today, in honor of my graduation, I'm gonna do a cake. It's a keto cake, a keto almond cake. I found this recipe online a while back, and I'll link the person below. And it's the closest thing for me to like a sponge cake. And sponge cake is one of my favorite cake. Although my diet mostly consists of keto stuff and no sugar, when it comes to the sponge cake, my aunt, she makes it and she makes it the best. So I will have sugar because I will eat that pound cake. Whenever she makes it for me, pound cake, sponge cake, whenever she makes it for me, I do eat it. I've gotten to like a regular sponge cake. It's really good, guys. So in honor of my graduation, we're gonna make a keto cake, and then I might decorate it later too. And usually what I do is after I'm finished, I just put some icing on top of it. Nothing fancy, but maybe today in honor of my decoration, maybe I'll do some little dots or something. We can all do a little dots. You know, you can buy those little icing kit at the store and just squeeze it onto the cake. So if you want to make your cake fancy, you can do that. Or I've done it before where I've just put the icing on top and sprinkle almonds on top of it, and that's nice too. Let me show you how to make this cake. It's so good. You have to try it. Let's go. Then we'll take it out, and then we can do some icing on it. So in the meantime, let's make the icing for the top. I'm going to make a cream cheese icing. It's just a simple icing, cream cheese, some swerve icing sugar, of course some essence, a little butter, and a little milk, just to decorate it, okay? Okay everyone, so we have cream cheese melted, so half a cup cream cheese, right? And then this is our swerve icing sugar. They have everything. That's half a cup as well. So that's why I don't put too much in the cake, because this has sugar as well. And this is 2 tablespoons of butter. And as usual, I just mix everything together. If you want to use a mixer with this, you can, but I'm all about getting it done quickly, and I think it's fine. And then we have a tablespoon of cream this is it. This is going to be a dressing. So this one, I don't think I can make any design or anything with it. That's fine. Just put it on and then put it in the fridge to get hard. And it is so good. And of course, a little essence. And you can just keep mixing this with your fork, your spoon, or your mixer. The good thing is the mixer will make it so much smoother, for sure. So you can do that, so it can be nice and smooth. But this has some little bumps. That's okay. We're gonna make it work, because guess what? We're gonna eat it, and it's gonna just taste so good. All right, so there we go. Okay, once the cake is finished, it's a little bit flat, but it's because of the pan. But because usually I do this pan, so this is like 6 inches, so it has a little bit more body. And to use this pan is 8 inches, so it had to spread out more, but that's all right. Because I wanted to be able to take it out. This one I would have to, do more work. But that's okay. So it's flat, but that's okay. But the point is, it's finished. It smells great. Nice. I'm falling down. Okay, and then we have our icing, and the icing is so simple. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at it. And we're just gonna pour it all over it. We're just gonna pour it all over it. And as I said, if you want it to be, you want to decorate with it, you put it in the fridge, and then you can pipe it, put it in a bag and pipe it. But for today, let's just do it this way. I think I have some almonds somewhere, some sliced almonds, and you can always do some sliced almonds on it too, or whatever you want. If you want to put some fruits on it, you can do that. But this is it here. I'm just going to spread this all over. I brought out my cake stand, and this is it. And then I'm going to put this in the fridge to dry. Nothing fancy. If you want to get fancy, go ahead. And of course, I'm going to pull out my tea and have some cake and some tea. And that's it. That is it. Let me find some almonds, and then we can sprinkle it on top. So I'm just gonna sprinkle. Now, I've done this before where I've toasted these almonds, but it doesn't really make a difference, because by the time you put it in the fridge, or by the time it's sitting on here, it gets soft. So I don't waste my time anymore doing it that way. But here we are. My cake. And then we can always, you can always fancy the size if you want again. However you want to do it. But the point is, it's good. It's the closest thing I've had to a pound cake or a sponge cake, which I love. It's my favorite. We have cake. It's beautiful. So the cake is finished. So yeah, it's just a almond keto cake. It's keto friendly icing on the top as well. So I have my tea, right? Cake goes well with tea. And here's the cake. It's so good. So I'm gonna have some of this now with my tea. I hope you try it. It's really, as you can see, quick and easy, and it tastes so good, guys, so good. So try it out, and if you're fancy decorating, you want to get it fancy decorated, go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna sit and enjoy it with my tea. I should show you something I got recently. So look at this, because I love tea, and my husband knows I love tea, so he buys me all these tea stuff. Oh, and remind me to show you my tea set that I got recently. But look. I can't remember what was here, but whatever it was, it's finished. Maybe it was chai or something. I don't know. But look at that. So now I'm drinking the Irish breakfast is what I'm having today. But yeah, I got a tea set, but I'll tell you about that next time when I have more of these. It's just a collection. He always gets them to me. They're so cute. Good gift idea, people, if you're looking for a gift idea. Anywho, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. I'll post more videos soon. Ooh. See, this is my graduation. Look at this. I'm gonna just put it here. I'm just so excited about that. But anyway, try the cake. Hope you like it. God bless you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Okay.